Hi everyone, welcome back to YouTube channel again. So in this tutorial video, learn step by step instruction on how to obtain your SRS wireless account number and PIN as well as how to transfer your PIN to another device. So stay tuned and empower with this helpful guide. So let's start. Yeah, the first thing we have to know how to get your SRS wireless account number and PIN. So to simply there's a simple process. You have to reach their customer support team to get your account number. So they are the number you have to dial this 1-888-898-4888 to request your account number. So after this, they will ask you some information about your address, your name, as well as there's some process they have to done with them politely with them doing this, give them information, all of this they're asking for it. Then after they will give you your account number. So now we are going to discuss about how to get your SMS wireless account pin. So locate your PIN, which is last 6 digit or 10-digit number when you set up it during an application process. When you firstly buy this product, then can be find in your welcome letter. So if you cannot remember your PIN, you have to call their customer support team at this number 1-888-898-4888 for the assistance. So now we are discuss about how to get your assurance wireless account transfer. So your 6 digit account pin is your transfer pin. You have to remember this thing. If you face difficulties finding your pin, you need to contact assurance customer support for a request a new pin. So to speak with their customer support team, reach out to them with this number 1-888-321-5880. They will ask you some information about your name when you buy this product and where is your address also. So you have to politely with them, give them all information they need. So after this, they will transfer your PIN. So these are some steps you have to take it when you try to your transfer your PIN or get your account number and your PIN. So thank you for watching our video. I hope you like it and this video is very helpful for this issue and we will catch you in our next video.